Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 9 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Then let's scroll and find the auto screen off option. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, relatively short options, and at the bottom, the longest available in this device, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to mark the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 5 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.